Hello YouTubers, hope everyone is well today. Today guys, I am making for you some chili con carne spaghetti. I am using the stick, but this stick is awful easy to make. But today, to make it easier on myself, I'm going to use this. I have two 16 ounces of my hamburger, which is 100% ground beef with 80/20 there, and a chili con carne stick. I have green peppers and onions, salt, pepper, and I'm using Prego sauce today, guys. So what I want to do first, guys, is this. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this olive oil, and I'm going to saute my onions and green peppers first. Okay, you want to come in with that? I'm just going to put this in. I got my cast iron skillet today. Okay, chili con carne. You want to get these all sauteed up, nice and soft, guys. Not a whole bunch. You can kind of put it the way you want it. And what I want to do, I'm going to put a little bit of this garlic salt on here. I'm going to put a little bit of this pepper in there. Okay guys, it's not open. Let me open my pepper. Put a little pepper in there. It's white pepper I got today. And I got a little coarse, little salt. Saute these up. Okay, that's what we want to do first. Okay, this is smelling amazing, guys. And then I'm going to go in with my hamburger. Okay, guys, I'm going to ground this up and I'll be right back. Okay, you ready? All right, guys. We got this all grounded up, guys. I got this on a medium-high heat. So we took that 80/20 ground beef, guys. Now what we're going to do is this. I have to get a scissors or a knife, guys, and I'll be right back. And you see that? Chili con carne stick, which is good for chili dogs, chili, however you want to do it. I'm going to cut this open here, guys. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with this chili stick into my ground beef. We're going to put this in there. Just like that. And what you want to do is break that into your ground beef. See that? Come all the way in, guys. I'm going to work this all the way through here. And this is going to be my chili con carne spaghetti, guys. But I do want to take all of it out of the package. I don't want to leave any of it. This was my mother's favorite meal, guys. Okay, we're going to put that over there. Okay? See how I'm breaking this down, guys? Go into it, camera. I'm going to break that all the way in. Alright, guys, I'm going to grab some garlic powder and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm going to go in with a little Lori seasoning salt for here to have a good taste to it. I did add some garlic salt to it. And you just want to get all of that work together. All of this is going to come into our chili con carne. And this is it, guys. It's just like that. I'm going to let that simmer into that ground beef. If you want to, you wouldn't even have to add the spaghetti sauce. But mine is a chili spaghetti. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with some Prego. Spaghetti sauce. What we want. All right, guys, see there? Oops. Okay. We're going to let this cook in for about 10 minutes, and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm going in with my spaghetti. I'm just going to let that go in there. Got that in there. That'll boil up for about 7 to 12 minutes, depending on how melt in there. Now, here's our chili. Chili con carne spaghetti, guys. Look how awesome that looks. Absolutely amazing. How many of you know about this? If you know about chili con carne spaghetti, I think some people call it Cincinnati chili. This is what my mom would make. All right, guys. I'm going to make this and plate it up, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. This is what we have here. Chili con carne spaghetti, guys. This is how you do it. Very easy recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make it, guys. Try it and tell me how you like it. I'm going to fix this plate up, guys, with the spaghetti. This is how you would serve it up. We're going to put it in there like that. Put it just like this, guys. Okay. Okay. But hold on, let me put this on there. All right, guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment. This is how you make chili con carne spaghetti. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. You guys have a great day. Voila! Bye-bye.